Argo the mischievous dog.
Argo the golden dog loved to explore, running through the fields, always wanting more. With his fluffy orange coat and his wagging tail, chasing butterflies, leaving a joyful trail. With Holly and Jack, he would play all day, helping Ellie gather eggs in his own special way. But sometimes his energy got out of hand. Nipping at heels wasn't what they had planned. Once he tried to steal Farmer Tommy's hat, being a bit naughty but not meaning that. Farmer Tommy and Ellie knew he was kind, but they needed a way to help him mind. So they gave him a bell, shiny and bright. It tinkled softly, a sound full of light. At first thought Argo, this bell feels strange. It slowed him down, making him rearrange. He didn't like it, it got in his way, but soon something changed in a magical way. As he walked, it would tinkle and folks would smile, waving to Argo from across the mile. He started to feel proud, walking so tall, the sound of the bell echoing through it all. Then Dusty the collie, wise and kind, came to Argo with something to remind. That bell isn't just for praise, you see, it's to help you be the best dog you can be. Argo was puzzled, not understanding quite. He thought his bell was for shining bright. But as days went by, he began to learn the bell was a tool at every turn. When he walked calmly, the bell rang soft. People would smile as he trotted aloft. But when he ran wild, it clanged so loud, startling people and scattering the crowd. He realized then, Dusty was right. His bell was to help, not just for the light. So Argo decided to change his way, to be more gentle every single day. With the bell as a guide, he became more wise, learning that kindness is the greatest prize.
These stories are inspired by the real-life Argo. Please like, share with all your friends and subscribe. If you would like to follow along with more of Argo's adventures, click the link in the description to get your very own book. See you next time.